Are you here to see my dirty little secret? Well, I'm excited to say no longer is it dirty, and it doesn't have to be a secret anymore. I'm going to show you in today's video my full eBay inventory overhaul, my office being completely transformed. Oh my gosh, guys, it feels so good. My garage, my full shelving unit where I took it from my storage unit from December, a 10 by 25, and moved everything into my garage and my home office. And I have been working for 3 weeks so hard to get this completely done because I wanted to make sure to reveal it to you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the transformation. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. And if you're enjoying this so far, give me a like. It encourages me. It tells YouTube to continue to share this video with more people as well. All right, so let's start revealing my transformation. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. Hey guys, so as you see behind me, I have a ton of donations I'm about to drop off at Goodwill Express, and I have 2 other spots to bring more donations to around my city. And then I'm going to show you my big reveal, turning my messy, out of control inventory system into what you're going to see at the end of this video. Okay, so the Goodwill Express is done. Now we're off to a used bookstore. It's so cute. It's in my area in Orlando. If you ever have a chance to go to a Ocoee Book Rack, definitely check it out. They have new owners and did a full remodel, and I highly recommend them. They're such a cute store. But I'm going to go drop off some books to their store, and then we're going to go over to one of my favorite places to take our little Jack Russell. It's called Posh Pets, and I'm just donating some of our dog leashes there for them to help with what they do there. And then we're back to the house where I can show you the full transformation. Okay, here we go. Wasn't that adorable? I just love that bookstore. My friend Roxy purchased it several months ago and did a full remodel of it. And I just love the feel. And I even think that's either her or her daughter. They're both very artistic and talented. Did the drawings on the windows. And I love the book tree that Roxy came up with. It is decorated per theme for each season. As you saw, it's decorated for St. Patrick's Day. They just had a big parade recently in the Ocoee area, and it's just really such a cute little area. So if you're in the area, check out Ocoee Book Rack. Okay, to home to show you the big reveal. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so guys, if you don't know already, I absolutely love Chick-fil-A. I love getting their fries and their diet lemonade and barbecue sauce. So we are passing by Chick-fil-A. So before we go home, let's go grab some fries, shall we? Oh my gosh, guys. This smells so good. French fries. You guys, I did it. I'm so excited to show you. Look, all of this used to be storage. Look at this now. There's concrete. Oh my goodness. So this is all of the inventory. Well, not all of it. This is the inventory remaining in boxes that are too bigger than what I'm going to be sticking with. So I decided that I'm going to stick with priority mail. You like my glimmer? Well, I don't have makeup on, so I'm using the Snapchat filter. I hope you guys don't mind. But these boxes, new inventory has to fit in the priority mail 12 by 12 or smaller. Otherwise, I'm just not going to source that inventory anymore. It's going to help me to keep control of my storage unit systems. So right now, this is my remaining inventory that's still on eBay. That's bigger than that. I reduced the prices so they'll hopefully sell quicker. And let's go show you my office. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey guys, so here's my daughter Haley. You've seen her in other videos. She just started selling on Poshmark. How many sales do you have so far?
Last time I checked, it was like 7 or 8.
That's awesome. I'll put a link to her closet in the description of the video. Go give her some love. She loves clothes shopping, as you've seen from our previous videos. Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this full transformation. What do you think, Haley, of all?
I think it looks a lot better.
So much better.
The only thing, the light.
What light?
To turn on the room and the light above.
Oh yeah, that's true. I do want to mount these lights up here. When I was on my resellers, I do a bi-weekly, every 2-week call with Chrislyn and Tech and Sports with the Reseller podcast and with their Patreon group. And we were talking about mounting the lights. They got a couple different suggestions, maybe some LED lights. We'll see. Chrislyn attaches his to shelving units and stuff. So I don't know, something to get off the floor, right, Haley?
That's true, because
we trip over, and that's only half of them. Where's the rest?
I don't know. Where did you put them?
They're in the living room.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a like,
and a comment, and subscribe.
Yes. You did that really well, Haley. So we will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the big transformation.
Yep.
You sounded like you wanted to say something. What were you going to say?
I have a lot of drafts to upload on Poshmark.
See, she's a reseller in training. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. That's my girl. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.
You got it.
Bye.
Bye.